What's up, everybody? Bo is here. I am back. Welcome to my new episode. Welcome to a new project. Let me introduce you. 2022 Mercedes printer. Again, this is a 144 wheelbase. It comes in, this time is stone gray color. This one also comes with some nice features, and that is including the power sliding door as well. So that is a plus when you have a power sliding door, because these doors can be heavy if you park on a slope. So power sliding door is good. For the subfloor, after the sound deadening, I laid these 1x2s. These are pre-painted 1x2s every 12 inches, and then between every squares I also laid down the Reflectix, which is the moisture barrier and also an insulation. After that, before we put the wood floor on it, we're gonna put like a thin layer of half-log wool. We have a lot of those, so we're gonna put another layer of that before we put the subfloor on it, and then we screw the floor down onto the wood. Then we should be done with the subfloor, and then after that I'm going to focus on our roof. We're gonna start assembling the flat standard roof rack, and then also the solar panels and all the wiring and stuff. So let's get the floor done today, at least. Here we go. Half-log wool is done. Now next is the board. So what I did was I pre-drilled these holes, and then I countersink these holes first, and then I screw them with, this is a 1 1/4 anti-corrosion screws. It's number 2, and then that's every 16 inches or so, and it feels so super tight right now. There is no squeaks or anything. Today I'm working on assembling the flare for the roof rack. This is the front flare. So what I noticed is this is upgraded from the older versions of by Flatline Vanco. The older version up there is plastic, and this is aluminum, and it's smoother than the other one. I like this. Looks really nice. Okay, almost done with this piece. I'm gonna go up there and install it. All I have to do now is putting this rubber bumper so that it stay tight with the roof to protect from the wind noise. Okay, boys. Okay. On the 144 wheelbase like this, with the bar, and then you have the max air fan that extends out this much. Man, you don't have a lot of room to work with. This is about 1 inch. luckily when this thing opens, it doesn't raise any on the back. It will just come up like this, so it's good. So we have this much room to put our solar panels. So let's see how we can do that. See, normally you don't screw these first until you insert the nuts inside here, pre-inserted, and then before you attach your solar panel. This time it's fine, you can go and screw it. You just don't tighten it, so you can move it back and forth to adjust to the size. But then as far as the nuts to insert to here, there's a cut hole right here for dropping in the nuts, sliding in the nuts. Like, let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you need to screw it from the top, you just slide that nut right in there and just screw your bolt through it. Makes it a lot easier. So far I'm making good progress on the roof here. The roof rack is already installed. I just need to attach the solar panel and run the wires. Today I finish up all the flare in the front and our light bars there, and then also the spotlights, all 4 spotlights in the corner. So making really good progress. As you can see right now, it gets dark so fast. So that's it for tonight, and tomorrow when daylight comes, wiring. I'm gonna start wiring these lights here and then our solar panels. So yeah, let's start from the roof first and then run all the wires down and then wires all the inside before we do a final insulation and close up with the walls and stuff. So I guess that's it. This is it for the first introduction video, and I already got a lot of things done. Yep, the most important was the AC unit, the Dematic RTX 2000, and you can see also Max Air fan fits up here nicely. So yep, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this content, please subscribe and follow me along this build, and please share my video, give me thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time.